Hello, my name is Mohammed and today I'm going to discuss about a topic. It's called formula. So formula means is a mathematical relationship or rule expressed in symbol. As we our last video about the area for triangle or perimeter, we use different formula. So for example, the area for triangle, which is half base time height, and for the area for the rectangle is the length time base. So this is called a formula. So the same as we need to understand further about formula in terms of exam. So let me take an example. If a book is written late, there is a cost of pence. There is a cost of pence for the late charges. So the librarian using the formula, which is C equal to 10D. So it means the cost of pence, which is equal to C, and D is number of days overdue. So this is the example, okay? So the librarian using this formula. So using cost of pence equal to number 10 and D is a number of days overdue, okay? So number A, what? Mr. A returned a book 4 days late. So how many days, okay, he returned late? The book was due to return, okay, 4 days earlier, okay. He's coming back to return to the librarian after 4 days. So what we do? Simply, okay. So C is the cost of pence. How the librarian working, okay. So number 10 and how many days late, okay. The late number of days is 4. So it means the cost of pence, which is 40p, is an overdue amount for late book. We take another example. What? Mr. B returned two books after 1 week. Okay, so it was due for 1 week ago, but he returned 2 books late, okay, for 1 week. So we need to find out the same using the formula, okay. So C, and we need to 10. How many numbers of books? There was 1 book, okay, Mr. A, okay, and there are 2 books. So what we do, okay, simply we do 2 books and 1 week means 7 days, okay, because this D is number of days overdue, okay, in days. So how many days? There are 7 days, okay, in a week. So 2 books, it means the total 14 days. So it means 10 times 14, which is 140 pence, which is £1. And so overdue charges is £1 and 40 pence. So this is the example for part B. Now I'm going to solve the exam paper which came in 2019, CSSE 2019. Very simple and easy question. So there is a formula. The formula and the question number was number 5, yeah. So CSSE 2019, question number 5, and the question says the Sean is completing a table of value for the formula 4n minus 3. So they're giving you a table, okay. The table is like this is the table. They're giving the value of n and the formula they used 4n minus 3, and they give you number 1 for the example, okay, and the second one they're giving you the number of n value, and we need to find this one, and also we need to find this one, and they giving you the value of 81. So this is, so Sean is completing a table of value for the formula which is 4n minus 3. So this is the table given in the exam, okay. So Sean is completing a table of values for formula 4n minus 3. So we need to find out the missing values and also complete the table with the 2 missing values, okay. So first we need to find out the missing value, okay. So as you know that the formula for the is 4n minus 3. So let me verify this one quickly. So which is n is 2. So 4 times 2 minus 3. So 4 times 2 is 8. 8 minus 3, 5. So it means if there is a number of value n is 2, your answer is coming 5. So same as the value is 12. So what's the missing number? We can work out easily. So 4, the number value is what? Number of n is 12. So minus 3. 4 times 12, which is 48, and 48 take away 3. So the answer is coming 45. So the answer for, if the value giving you 12, so the answer is coming 45. And now they're giving you the answer, okay, and they are asking what was the value they put in a formula. So very simple, what we do, we need to do reverse calculation, okay. So we know that the 81, okay, and as the formula is 4n minus 3, okay, we know the inverse for minus, which is plus. So when we go for the reverse calculation, so we need to add back, okay, 3 instead of subtract. And the same 81 plus 3, which is 84. And this 4 times by n. So the inverse of times is divide. So divide by 4. So it means 4 times 2 is 8 and 4 times 1 is 4. So it means, what was the value he entered? There was a value entered is 21. Okay. So you completed this table. So if you put the 21, so 20 times 4 is same 84, and 84 minus 3, the answer coming is 81. So you can verify your answer as well. So now move, okay, the part A. So this is this, the first part is saying simply, okay, complete this timetable, and now the part A is asking what is the smallest value of n, which means the Sean gets a formula value above 200. So above 200 value, okay, not 200. Okay, that's a tricky thing for this part. Okay, so they're asking what is the smallest, value of n, which means Sean gets a formula value above 200. So not less than 200, okay, but it's above 200. Let me take, for example, 200. Okay, so what we're doing, okay, so as the formula, okay, I'm putting 4. They're giving you the value, okay, 200. So 200, okay, the formula is there, 4n minus 3. So the 200, if I, okay, reverse calculation, 200 plus 3, which is 203. And if I divide by 4, so which is coming in a decimal, okay. So for example, if I say that, what, okay, if I 200 divide by 4, which is coming 50, okay, but here is coming 50 point something, okay. If there is a sum of 203, okay, we can put the sum 204. So if I add here plus 1, so 201 divided by 204 divided by 4, so it means your answer is 51. So let me repeat again, okay, what, okay, they are giving you the value which is 200. So examiner asked that the value has to be above 200, okay. What I did, okay, I put the value as like 81, okay. So I 200, instead of minus, we need to add back plus 3, okay, for the reverse calculation. The answer is coming 203. If I divide by, okay, by 4, because it's times by 4. So when we go the reverse calculation, we need to divide by 4. So when we divide 203 divide by 4, the number is coming 50 point something, which is coming in a decimal. So the number has to be in a round number, not in a decimal number. And also they said above 200. Okay, so if I add back, which is 204, 203, and divide by 4, which is coming 50 point something. Okay, 50.56. Okay, and this is not a round number. Now what I did, if I put 201 and add back is 3, which is 204, and number you need to divide by 4. So it means 4 times 1 is 4, and 4 times 5 is 200, and 4 times 1 is 4. So it means the Sean need to enter 51 to get the answer 201. So which is above of 200. So you need to enter the number 201 instead of 200. So the answer will be 51. And now moving the part B. And the part B is asking very simple. What? And the part B is says and the part B says Alex decided to complete decided to complete a table of value for the formula n square plus 1. So what? There is a part A, the Sean was completed the formula which is used for n minus 3, and another friend, okay, Alex, decided to complete the table value for the formula using n square plus 1. And the question is that what? Sean and Alex each calculate their values for when n equal to 11. So n is 11. So what is the difference between their values? Okay, so both have different formula. Okay, so Alex has the formula n square plus 1, and Sean has the formula for n minus 3. Okay, and they are using same value. The question is, what is the difference between their values? What is the difference their values? So what we do, we need to simply work out. Okay, so Sean using the first, and the formula is 4n minus 3. So it means the value for the Sean is coming 4 and is 11 minus 3. So which is 4 times 11, 44 minus. So it means 41 for the value of Sean. And Alex using the formula which is n square plus 1. So same, n square plus 1. So 11 square plus 1, which is 121 plus 1. So which is 122. So it means the value from the formula of Sean 41 and formula for Alex, which is 122. And we need to find the difference, okay, for both values, okay. So 122 minus 41. And the answer will be 81, okay. So this is the answer for the part B. So this question came for the CSSE 2019, very simple and very easy for the marks. For I think there are 3 marks for these 2 parts, so you can do easily, okay. You just simply enter the value for given formula and to work out, and also work out on the reverse calculation. In reverse calculation, inverse of minus is plus and inverse of times is divide, okay, and you can work out from the reverse calculation easily to what was the initial number. Same as the part B, okay, is asking about there are 2 different formulas. If I'm putting the same value, so what is the difference, okay, between 2 values? So this is for CSSE 2019 question number 5. So if you like this video, please leave your feedback and share this video as well, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.